What are custodial and non-custodial wallets? Custody, at its most basic, means total control and ownership. In the case of a custodial wallet, it means the ownership of your private keys. When you create a custodial wallet, you are usually asked to create a password that you use to log in and access your funds. However, your private keys are controlled and managed by the third-party wallet provider. As a beginner in crypto, this may be the easiest and most common way to enter the space, because you do not need to manage your private keys. All you need is your password, and if you forget it, you can always request a new one. Well, this is because they control your private keys and, technically, your funds. So, what is a non-custodial wallet? A non-custodial wallet is a crypto wallet without the interference of a third party. This means that you control and manage your private keys as well as having complete control over your funds. With the elimination of intermediaries, it is important you keep your keys and wallet secured. We can think of a non-custodial wallet as a wallet of cash in your pocket, and a custodial wallet as a bank. A great example of a non-custodial wallet is the CLV wallet. Nice. Knowing the distinction between a custodial and a non-custodial wallet is a crucial part of your Web3 journey. Sit back and enjoy the rest of the series.